Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So if you were to open the file for the experiment this week and you read the background, right? Uh, there is this, if you look at the third paragraph, you will measure the strength of the geomagnetic field components at your location. So the Firefox applet allows you to measure the strength of the magnetic field in terms of its components at your location, right? And if you were to click this link here, you'll be brought to this diagram, right? And this diagram shows you the different components of the magnetic field at your location. And this diagram is very important because it allows you to calculate the direction of the magnetic field at your location, right? So I'm just going to explain briefly what this diagram is about. Uh, if you look at your Firefox applet, uh, it will display the magnetic field for the X component, magnetometer X, and then the magnetic field in the Y component, and the magnetic field in the Z component, right? So, which of these quantities that it corresponds to? So, the magnetometer X component is this component here, right? And the magnetometer Y is this component here, right? And you can see that the X and the Y component makes a plane, right? It lies on a plane, right? Uh, so that is the X component, the Y component. Where is the Z component? The Z component is here, right? So it's a vertical component. And where is the direction of the, or yeah, where is the direction of the total magnetic field line? Is this one in red, right? So the angle that we want in this experiment is this angle I here. It's called the inclination or the dip. So where is it from? It is the angle that the plane of XY component makes to the total magnetic field line, right? So you have to use a bit of trigonometry to obtain uh, the angle I, right? And I will leave that to you to figure it out, okay?